Let's see how to design a landing page that converts in Wix. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the pages and menu, and here it says add page. We're going to add that page, and then we're going to add this landing page right here. We're going to pick a page that we're going to add. Let's say this one. Our online store is launching soon. Add page. Going to add this to our site. Now let's rename this as let's say shop coming soon. Edit this for a bit. Let's put it right there. And then it's gonna be this one. What you're going to do is you're just going to edit the text. Our online store is launching soon. What do you want to edit right here? You can add some text and subscription forms right here so that they can be notified to new updates. Let's just say, for example, you can edit your image here. You can change that, this one too, or you can add some more elements like some more imagery here. Strips, you can add some buttons where it would lead. You can add some videos right there. Some musics to your online launch. You can have this, you can add some forms in here, or you can just change the footer design. You can edit something here, like you can add some interactives in here, or I mean galleries. Like for example, you'll have like kind of like a teaser for your shop, for example. Yeah, like this. Can add some right there. Let's just delete this. There, you can manage some medias right there. You can change all of these. You can add medias. You can delete this and then change the images to your foods that you're going to put in your store soon. Since this is just a blog site, but you're planning to having a store. So that's coming soon. So that's it. That's a landing page. And then when we preview it, it's gonna be like this. Then that's it. That's how to design a landing page that converts in Wix. See you soon.